Organizing your thoughts, grouping and categorizing ideas. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of academic writing. We're exploring a crucial step in the writing process, organizing ideas and information. Specifically, we'll focus on how to group and categorize your ideas effectively. By mastering this, you can create structured and compelling content, whether it's for an essay, report, or thesis. Imagine trying to assemble a jigsaw puzzle without looking at the picture or sorting the pieces. Difficult, right? In academic writing, your ideas are the puzzle pieces. By grouping and categorizing them, you're arranging those pieces so that they fit together seamlessly. 1. Improves flow. Your writing becomes clearer and more logical. 2. Reduces repetition. By organizing ideas, you can avoid revisiting the same points. 3. Helps your audience. A structured outline aids comprehension. 1. Similarities and differences. Group ideas based on what they have in common or how they contrast. 2. Example. If writing about fruits, you might group them based on taste, sweet, sour, or texture, crunchy, soft. 3. Chronology. If your topic has a time element, arrange it in a sequence. 4. Example. If detailing the history of the English language, you might start with Old English and move to Modern English. 5. Importance. Sometimes, it's beneficial to start with the most crucial information and then proceed to less significant details. 1. Stick to one system. Once you choose a method, be consistent. Don't mix chronological and importance-based categorizations, for instance. 2. Limit your categories. Too many categories can be as confusing as none at all. Aim for a balance. 3. Revise. As you progress, you might find a better way to categorize. Be open to restructuring. 4. Use visual aids. Mind maps, flowcharts, and lists can help visualize your categories. Now, with your ideas grouped and categorized, it's time to integrate them into your outline. 1. Main points as headings. These should be the broad categories or groups you've identified. 2. Supporting details as subpoints. Under each main point, list out the specific ideas or information relevant to that category. Remember, your outline isn't set in stone. As you begin writing, you might find new connections or a more logical flow. Always be ready to adapt and refine. Organizing ideas might seem like an extra step, but it's an investment in clarity and coherence. By grouping and categorizing your thoughts, you lay a strong foundation for your academic writing. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of this process. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.